Okay, hi guys. Hey, welcome to Nyanis and Ruth. Today we're going to be doing another presentation. Ruth is going to be doing another presentation, and she is going to introduce to you guys the topic that she's going to be talking about. And I'm going to be her guide to critique her in the right way, what is negative, positive, so that way she can become a better person as far as public speaking. So let's get started.
Hello everybody. Hey, great body starts with great nutrition, and that's why today's topic I'm talking about nutrition. I'm going to give 3 positive impact of nutrition, and I'm also gonna present 3 negative outback of nutrition, and at the end I'll give you my summary. Welcome and join us. Today I'm going to represent the topic about today is about nutrition, and we all know a healthy body, a living for longer lifetime. We all need good nutrition, and that's why today I picked that topic. Nutrition is good for our health, like overall health. Nutrition is also good for our metabolism, and nutrition is also good and it helps us in immune boost. Without nutrition, we end up having a lot of chronic disease and so on. I'm also going to present 3 negative of lack of nutrition, because I won't say lack nutrition have a negative impact, right? But lack of it can lead to immunodeficiency. It can also lead to nutrition deficiency, and it can expose the body to so many chronic diseases. On my conclusion, I'll say nutrition is good for our overall health. It boosts our immune system. It boosts our mood and our energy. And lack of it can lead us to chronic disease, and it can also lead us to immunodeficiency. Hey, thank you so much. And that was my presentation for today.
Okay. Well, that last part should have been towards me, not them. But okay, we get it. Okay, you're getting comfortable, and that's good. That's good. Okay. So you done, right?
Yeah. I mean, I can do
okay.
One more.
No.
Okay.
You're gonna grade this one. Okay. So far. Okay. So we're going to go through the same criteria as we normally done, we previously done, and as time goes by, I'm going to print out an actual sheet with the list of criteria on there. I have them, but I just didn't print it out. Or I'm going to be checking the box. Okay. So today we're better than the previous one, I would say. Your confidence levels. Her confidence level was up, and she projected a little bit more, and I understood 80% of what she was talking about, meaning that she was clear with her vocabulary. So I understood that. On another good note, she wasn't moving her hands a lot. However, when she did move it, it was important movement, like she was emphasizing something, which was good. And that's the only time you should use your hand to emphasize.
Yeah.
Okay? So that was good. Because her hand movement did not suggest nervousness, it suggests emphasis, which is good. Your 3 topic, your 3 pros and your 3 cons, they were listed. I thought some of them was a little generic, but maybe 2 on the con side was generic, 2 on the pro side was specific. So try to get into specific.
Okay.
Like for example, on the con side, one of the specific one that you gave was immunodeficiency.
Okay.
That was specific. That was good because it's hit a specific system within the body.
Yeah.
And versus you say, oh, it's bad for your health.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So we would try to get more specific with those 3 points and those 3 pros and 3 cons.
Yeah.
Moving forward, okay. She lists them. Next time, try to put attached number to them. You're not always going to do that, but just so you, for the sake of your sake, so you can memorize them. Try to attach number to it. 1. You say a pro. 1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
and then you go to con. 1, 2, 3. Because what that does is it gives you some type of structure of how to follow. Okay, so that was good. So with the pros and cons, specificity is what we're going to work on there.
Yeah.
Okay. Your topic, you did say your topic, so that was good. Your conclusion,
Yeah.
your summary. So what I noticed that you said about your summary, and you said I'm going to give my summary as opposed to saying or in conclusion or to summarize. Don't say I'm going to give my summary. Don't
Okay.
say that. Okay. Say in conclusion
To nutrition.
or I'm going to end by summarizing,
Okay.
or to bring this to a close. This is what I just talked about. Right?
Okay.
So, and then when you end it with your summary, continue to talk to me.
Okay.
I'm the audience. Granted that these guys are our audience, but I'm the audience. You're presenting to me. If you see me going like this while you're talking, there's a chances I understand what you're talking about.
Okay.
But because I'm doing that now, I didn't do it with the first 2, but I'm doing that now to give you a little bit of motivation. Okay? But if you don't see me do anything, and then you see I look a little bit perplexed, like
Yeah.
confused,
Yeah.
then you know try to clarify what you're saying.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. So overall, I say her grade for this. I'm gonna give her. This is tough for me, and I really, really want to give her a good grade, to be honest.
Okay.
But I'll give her a C+ again.
Okay.
I will, simply because I still think that there are few mechanics and few things she can tweak here and there. So until I can have the comfortability where I know every 90% of her work I digest it and follow the sequential order, then you'll go to that B, and then eventually when I don't have to critique you harshly, you get the,
Yeah.
but for right now you will get that C++. That's a C++.
Yeah.
So it's more than a C+, okay?
Okay.
So in other words, if your C+ is 76, this is a 78.
Okay. Can I do one more rehearsal, even if it's not gonna be on the camera?
So no, okay. So that being said, this is the recording for today. We'll end here, and then we'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.
Ciao. Yeah. Let's stick to what I did earlier.
Overthinking.
Now I'm all over.
Yeah, you overthinking.
Yeah. Let's maintain what we did. It's okay. It's okay.
You overthinking.
I know. It's okay. Now I'm all over the shot. Nutrition is best, and that's why today I'm going to talk about that topic. Welcome. Okay. Hold up. You do nutrition, we can be able to manage that. Number 3, nutrition is good for, oh God, I'm all over. I'm all over it.
Take your time.
Oh my God.
It's hard. I know. Just get yourself together. That's why we're doing this. Okay?
Okay. Can I start all over again?
Okay. You'll be fine. Go ahead. You'll do it. You can do it.
Hello everybody. Welcome to our topic. This is Ruth and Nyanis. This is not Ruth. I'm Ruth.
Hey. She'll get it eventually. She will.
Hello everybody. Did you know that good health starts with great nutrition? Number 2, it control our now I'm all over the shot.
Hey, just so you know, these are the reason why we're doing these practices, because at the end of the day, our confidence level is going to But the goal is, and what I'm also trying to teach her, is to also not overthink everything. Just let it flow naturally and let it come. Because now when you feel like it's a test, or when you feel like you have to demonstrate,
yeah.
you will overthink.
Yeah.
Okay? So,
I learn off.
yes. So just imagine what the point I'm trying to get you to do is like you talking to me when you're speaking to people as if the way you normally talk to me in the house,
Yeah.
where you're so comfortable. So where you, because now you're talking to me as if I'm your teacher. Don't do that. Just be comfortable and talk to me about what it is. Okay? All right. So